Kawaii Toy Collector, and in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make homemade fidget toys. So yeah, also guys, the hashtag notification squad for my last video is... Also remember to please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in the comments down below, give us some video ideas. So let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make homemade fidget toys. If you guys don't know what fidget toys are yet, fidget toys are like toys that can take your mind off things, and they're basically just fun little fidgets. Like here is an infinity cube. These are really fun. You probably noticed some of these from my fidget toy hauls or even my collection. Then we have Poppets over here, like this really cute carrot one, or even this really cool one. I get a lot of them from Amazon. And I just have a bunch, like a simple dimple, and this really cool one right here. And fidget toys take your mind off things if you're stressed out or if you're anxious or just anything like that. And I did a fidget collection video a few weeks ago, and a lot of the comments said, can you please show how to make homemade fidget toys? And I was like, yeah, of course I can do that. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys 3 ways how to make homemade fidget toys with things just around your house. And these are super simple ways how to make homemade fidget toys. So let's get right into the video. But before I get into the video, I want to announce my fidget toy giveaway for my easy no glue slime recipe video. From a few weeks ago, I'm doing a giveaway of a bunch of fidget toys, as you can see in this video. And I said put in the comments down below if you want to enter the giveaway, and there was a bunch of rules and stuff. But the giveaway winner is MZ Slimes. I picked this very randomly, so if you didn't win, that's okay, because I am doing a giveaway in the middle of June. And make sure you keep watching my videos to see what the giveaway will be of. But MZ Slimes, you won the video. And here's her channel if you want to go check it out. I'm actually going to subscribe to her because I picked out the giveaway one actually a few hours ago. And I already commented on her videos and emailed her and stuff that she won the giveaway. But yeah, so go check out her channel, and I just subscribed to her. But yeah, thank you guys so much for entering the giveaway. Remember to enter more giveaways in the future. And congrats, MZ Slimes. Okay guys, so finally, the first homemade fidget toy tutorial I will show you guys is how to make a homemade poppet. So I've been testing a bunch of ways how to make homemade poppets, and as you can see, these aren't really the best, but these are a few of my test runs. So here's this green one. Wasn't really cool, it's all flimsy and stuff, but I made this one a few hours ago, and this one turned out probably the best I think yet. So how to make a homemade poppet, the things you guys will need is, you guys will need cardboard. You can use a cardboard box like this one I have right here, or even a cereal box. That can work, of course. You guys will also need some type of paper. You can use like paper for a printer, or even sticky notes can work. I tried that out as well. You guys will need scissors. So if you can't use scissors, make sure you ask your parents' permission or parents' help to use them. Then you guys will also need tape or glue. Both is optional, but I use both for this tutorial. And then optional, you guys can also use markers, stickers, or anything to decorate your poppet with. Okay, so I'm first gonna get these 2 pieces of cardboard paper out, because as you can see in this fidget poppet, there's 2 sides of this, so you're gonna need 2 pieces of cardboard. And I'm gonna get those out, and for kind of a guide for how I want the poppet, or for this video, I'm showing you guys how to make a simple dimple. I'm going to actually trace it right here. And if you don't have this, that's fine. You can trace other things, even like kind of like tape. You can trace like, you know what I mean? Like you just trace like an object that you want the poppet to look like. So I actually just used 1 piece of cardboard because I noticed you don't only have to waste this and use another one. So I'm gonna put that over there for another poppet I'll make after. And now what you're gonna do is you're gonna cut this out, and make sure again, ask your parents' permission for help if you can't do this, but if you can, make sure you start cutting it out. Okay, I cut them out, and you can see they're kind of the same shape as this. I cut them a little weird out on the end, but that's fine, you know, it's fine. So now what you're gonna do is you're actually going to make a circle shape. And again, I would say make sure you get an object to trace this with. So I'm using actually these teaspoons that my mom doesn't want anymore. And I'm basically gonna trace a circle on each side like that. And for this one, I think I might need a little smaller. So yeah, I'm gonna send this out as I do it, but I'm gonna get my marker out and start tracing it. Okay, so I messed up quite bad in this, but I'm actually going to cut them out a little bit smaller. And this side I made this way too big, but I'm gonna cut it out smaller. And oops, now what you guys are gonna do is you're going to get cutting around the circle. Okay, so you can see this came out kind of like not the same size, but when you put it like that, it looks pretty good. Which side was it? It was this one. This one looks pretty bad, so I'm just gonna flip it over and keep it like that, and they fit pretty well. Or I can actually put it that way, and yeah, they fit pretty well. So now what you're gonna do with this is you're gonna move on to the part where you're gonna get that other piece of paper out. You can use paper or sticky notes. I'm just gonna use paper for this again. And right again, you're gonna trace this out, and you're going to make a circle, and this will be what basically the Poppet material will be for right here. Also, I forgot to say, for this part, you guys will need tape, and you're gonna tape over it like this. So as you can see for this Poppet, I had tape over this, and the tape will protect it. It'll protect it from ripping or anything like that, so your Poppet can last forever. Okay, we have it all cut out, and now what you're going to do is you're going to get your Poppet out, well, the pieces of your carpet right here, and you're going to cut it like this. This will make it like a circle material almost. You're going to, oh sorry, there's like mark all over me. It will make it look like that, kind of like a cone shape. And you're going to do it on the same side over here. Make that a little bit, go up a little more. And then this will be like the Poppet, so it can pop in and pop out like that. So now you're gonna actually tape it like this. I'm actually gonna go like this to it, and then it'll be like that. So watch the time lapse and you'll understand it more because I can't explain anything. Okay guys, we finished making the homemade Poppet. So this doesn't look like a real simple dimple, but you can see it looks a lot like it, but it's still cool, and the fact that it's homemade makes it pretty cool to me, and it pops just like a real Poppet. And it's really, really cool. But yeah, and now I'm gonna get decorating it. You can use stickers, you can use markers. I'm probably gonna use both of them. So watch a time lapse of me decorating it. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but we'll see. Okay guys, so here is my finished Poppet. I put like a little heart there on each side, and I put some of this like holographic sticker right there, and honestly this came out pretty cool. For it being homemade, I think it resembles a lot of a real simple dimple slash Poppet. And if you guys try this out, put it in the comments down below. And I think this turned out really awesome, and from the first one I made to now, I think I did pretty well. And yeah, but let's move on to the next homemade fidget toy. Okay guys, so the next homemade fidget toy I'm going to show you guys how to make is an Orbeez squeeze ball. And don't mind my hands, this was from messy from the last homemade fidget toy, which was a Poppet. But I love Orbeez squeeze balls. This one's a strawberry that I have, and I'm going to show you guys how to make one at home. So the ingredients you guys going to make this homemade fidget toy is, you guys will need Orbeez. I have this really cool Orbeez set I got from Target, and it's these pink ones. You guys will also need a plastic baggie. This is just like a lunchbox bag for like putting your sandwich in. And then you guys will also need some tape. So I'm first gonna get opening up my bag and opening up the Orbeez as well. And these are really messy, so I'm gonna make sure they don't go everywhere. And I'm going to get putting in the Orbeez into here. I don't know how much I'm gonna use. Does that look like enough? I think that looks like enough. So I'm gonna fill it up to there. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure this is tightly shut so it doesn't go everywhere. Now I'm going to let all the air out, and I'm going to zip it up. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get raveling it up like this. Up to there, about. And now I'm going to tape it. And I'm going to tape it along this line right there. Okay, and this is taped all the way up, and this is like a stress toy almost. So I think this is really cool because it's like almost like the squeeze ball, as you can see. You can like squeeze it around and stuff, and it's homemade. You can squeeze it and stuff. And make sure the tape is also very tight. I know you don't want this messing up. So this turned out as a really cool stress toy. I'm actually going to keep this because it's really, really awesome. But yeah, so here was how to make an Orbeez stress ball with only 2 things. But let's move on to the last and final homemade fidget toy, and this one is only 1 ingredient. So let's get right into it. Okay guys, so the last and final homemade fidget toy I'm going to show you guys how to make is how to make a homemade Play-Doh Poppet. So what you guys will need to make this homemade fidget toy is Play-Doh. That's all you guys will need. Also, again, don't mind my hands from the markers. So you're first going to get out your Play-Doh. And I love Play-Doh so much. Before I was into slime, I actually was obsessed with Play-Doh. I still am today. And hopefully this will come out. You're going to get your Play-Doh out and you're going to start rolling it out. Okay, so I actually use the Orbeez bottle as a roller, and now that it's all rolled out, I'm going to peel a piece like this out, and I'm going to kind of make a little suction out of it like this. Make sure the air is kind of like stuck inside, and as you can see when you pop it, it makes like a poppet almost. It's like, I don't know how to explain. It's like one of those poppers, like a noise popper. And you can do it to like a bunch of these. If you didn't understand what I was saying, I'll do it again for this one. So it's like a little poppet. Okay, so I made a bunch of them to show you. So basically these are like a poppet almost. Like it makes a little bit of a noise. And this is really cool. It's just one ingredient, and this is just a really cool poppet or like a noise popper, and it's just made from Play-Doh. And Play-Doh is a really nice fidget as well. You can get this at the dollar store, and I love Play-Doh so much. It's kind of like slime, but it's just in like a dough form. And yeah, so here was the last homemade fidget toy. Okay, but thank you guys so much for watching this video today. Here's all the homemade fidget toys I made for this video. I made the poppets. I made the homemade stress toy, which is like the fidget squeeze ball out of Orbeez, and I also made the Play-Doh Poppet. And this one was really cool. You get this at the Dollar Tree as well. But yeah, so all these homemade fidgets you can get around with household items and stuff, like this fidget poppet right here. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. You guys really like my fidget toy videos, so if you guys want more like this, please put it in the comments down below, some video ideas for me. But yeah, I love you guys so much. Remember to please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some video ideas. Bye guys, I love you in peace, and also congratulations to the giveaway winner, and comment down below your guys' favorite fidget toy. Bye guys!